I'm Rick Crosslin, and welcome to another family science summer safari, where your adventure begins in your own yard. And today, we're going to be doing a lot about the animals that live in your yard, because this investigation is all about things that live in the trees and in the bushes and anywhere in your yard. Let's get started, okay? So instead of doing it in my backyard, I've gone to one of my friends, Mrs. Allison Kimbers, and her family to investigate animals in their backyard. I know there's a dog. I don't know if there's a cat. Is there a raccoon, chipmunks, squirrels, possums, skunks? At least maybe some birds. Let's meet them and find out.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to our backyard. Boy, do we have a lot of wonderful things at our house. And this maple tree here, I wonder, we put this birdhouse here, and guess what? We have visitors. We think it's a chickadee. And also up high, we have a robin who's now sitting on her nest. Like any good mother, she doesn't like her nest to be disturbed.
Mr. Crosslin, if you think that's cool, you should see what my neighbor Jonathan has in his yard. Crosslin, it's up here!
Okay, in this planter, just like any place that a bird can make a habitat, a family has started. Let's take a closer look what's in here. So as you can see, there are a couple baby birds, and I still see an egg in there. That's pretty unusual. And did you notice that their eyes are closed still? And did you also notice that one of them looks bigger than the other? Does anybody have any idea about that? What do you think?
I think one is a cowbird.
A cowbird? What's a cowbird?
It's a bird that's so lazy it goes and it lays its eggs in other birds' nests.
Would you call that lazy, or I'd call that smart? Well, that's a parasite that takes care, because those other animals don't have any benefit because of that cowbird. But in nature, in your backyard, there's a lot of things that are beneficial. For example, that tree right there. So the birds in this tree, they use the tree as their home and their habitat, and the tree gets no benefit off of that, but it doesn't hurt them. Whereas the cowbird over here with my friends, that is a parasite and a host. And those babies from the mom, all they do is feed that really hungry cowbird. But that is part of nature in a different way that animals in your backyard survive. If you want to have some cool creatures come visit your backyard, you have to give them something that they want, like this plant right here. The Kimbers planted this milkweed because it's a favorite and an essential plant for monarch butterflies. And monarchs are fascinating. You learn all about those. So what happens is they're attracted, the females lay their eggs, the eggs hatch out from an egg to a larvae, and they have plenty to eat, and this is their whole life. Grow, grow, grow. The very hungry caterpillar, because it has something to eat. And that's how you can attract wildlife to your backyard. So this is so cool. In your backyard, when the flowers are blooming, the bees are busy to work. And there must be 20 bees right here, all trying to get something to drink, all that nectar. Where are my bees? Here's some right here. In your backyard, there's all kinds of things for you to observe and study. Oh, there's some ants on here too. Everybody's getting some nectar. That's from all these blooming flowers. And the flowers are happy because the flowers are getting pollinated.
Another way to get creatures into your backyard is to have something weird like this. We have fabric and... What is this?
It's my dad's beard hair.
What? These are all appropriate nesting materials for birds. Birds love it. They can come build their nest by using some of this weird materials here.
This is the birdhouse that comes in the kit. You snap it together and you can paint it. Yes.
If you want to have birds in your backyard, here's some things that you need to have. You need to have food, like these here bird feeders. You need shelter, like this bush over here. And then you need water. That's right, water. And we have a bird bath over here set up. Those are things that you can have in your backyard to attract these birds.
So that's a lot of cool information. I especially like this for the birds to make a nest out of recycled materials. In the journal, there's a lesson I do with younger kids how to make bird feeders out of recycled materials. And you can watch that. And if you don't want to buy a bird feeder, you can make your own bird feeders. That's someone's beard right there. Here at the Kempers, they've built their bird house and they found a great location for it in this tree. It's sure to attract some birds to build a nest in it. I hope you enjoyed this video and all the activities of animals in your backyard. I'll see you Thursday at our Google Meet to see what you discovered in your own backyard.